Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
First up this evening, a groundsman who was charged for the sexual assault of a 14-year-old girl on the compound of Jamaica College 3 years ago recently pleaded guilty to indecent assault.
The groundsman, Courtney Seymour, was arrested last October at the school after eluding the police for 2 years. Kirk Wright reports.
The 14-year-old girl, who is the child of an employee at the school, was taken there to do online classes during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. On one of the reported indecent encounters, Mr. Seymour was heard begging the child for a kiss. The child in turn was heard telling him no. Their voices were captured during one of the child's Zoom class meetings. The situation was reported to the principal, who reportedly relieved Mr. Seymour of his job. Mr. Seymour was missing from the school for 2 years but returned sometime last May and afterwards would mainly be seen working at the school on Saturdays. A group of persons contacted TVJ News saying they were concerned that Mr. Seymour was allowed to be back at school after being accused of inappropriate sexual acts towards a minor. We went to the school one Saturday in June last year and saw Mr. Seymour working.
What do you do here?
I was a caretaker.
You was it?
Yeah, I was a caretaker.
So you're now, what do you do now?
Just come on weekend,
Oh, so you just come and help them out now?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
Courtney.
Courtney what?
Seymour.
Courtney Seymour.
Things would have made it different.
If you didn't like one, say you left.
Yes, no, I'm just helping out now.
So why you left then? If you were in like one time, why you left? Why you left?
Vibes, man.
Oh, vibes.
After that, our constant checks revealed that Mr. Seymour was still doing duties at the school on Saturdays. During the funeral service of the late R. Danny Williams, Mr. Seymour was seen cleaning the grounds and making sure the auditorium was ready for the funeral. But it was there that the police came and arrested Mr. Seymour. Mr. Seymour eventually pleaded guilty to indecent assault and is to be sentenced on February 16. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.